Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download a photo as JPG from Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to download a photo as JPG from Picsart app, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app on your phone guys, on this interface you land over here, which is the home interface of the Picsart, and at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us. You'll be required to tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen just beside the plus button, and you land over here where you'll be able to view all of the files and folders available on your Picsart account. So swipe this until you can find the photos option over here, tap on the photos, and all of the photos available on your Picsart app will be shown to you over here. Now in order to download a particular as a JPG, simply tap on the photo which you want to download, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the download button available for us. First tap on the download button over here, and after downloading guys, this kind of panel will appear for you too. And now to proceed to download or save that photo as a JPG, tap on save as JPG and get your quality and dimensions right over here, and tap on the save button at the bottom of the screen. And with that being done guys, your photo will be saved or downloaded as a PDF from Picsart. And then guys, this is how to download a photo as PDF from Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.